Hey everyone, welcome to this module. This module is about installing the editors on Windows. So we are going to install some editors on Windows that we are going to use throughout the course. So first of all, before moving to installing the editors, here are some myths I need to clear about the editors for beginners and those who are confused about the editors. So I have seen in many students, again especially in beginners, that they are always confused about the editor. They think that editors are a very big deal. But in a very simple and a basic definitions, editors are just like the notebooks. When you need to write something, you use a pen and write on paper. Similarly, we have the editors. When you need to write the code, you just write in the editor and view that by the help of a terminal. So basically, first of all, the editors are actually known as IDE, that you generally call the editor. Editor is the part in that IDE where we actually write the code. So IDE consists of many applications in just one, and editor is the only part where we just write the code. Now, just like notebook and a pen, we have pen to represent the items and the page on which the item is shown, or we can say our output. Similarly, in editors, or we can say IDE, editor is the part where we write the code. And for a good editor, we require two things. First, something to write, then something to run our code. The thing that run our code is known as terminal. So basically, requirement of any good editor is just these two things. So this is all about the editors. Now we will move to types of editors. When you can just simply Google out editors in Python, you will find many options there. Like these we are getting PyCharm, Spider, Sublime Atom. So basically Atom is the one that we are going to prefer in most of the parts of our course. And second, we are going to prefer Anaconda. That is not mentioned here because that one is for many Python or other different languages. After that one, here we have one more PyCharm, which is the best for Python programming. But I'm going to use the Atom because of its simplicity, not the PyCharm. And I also suggest you to first go for the Atom if you are a beginner. And if you are already familiar with the programming, then install the PyCharm. So they are nearly same and everything there you will get the same. So don't worry about that one. Now, few doubts and questions in students. Many students think that I did not know anything about programming and anything about the editor. How can I do that one? So those students who are thinking this thing, they don't need to worry anything. We will tell everything step by step. And after that one, I issue like, this editor is not installed in my computer. What can I do? And the person in my front is using a different editor. How can I code like that one? So again, they are just like the notebook. It doesn't matter which editor you are using. You can use a different one from the one I'm going to suggest you. It doesn't matter. The thing matters there is your code. Now I hope this helps you a little about the editors. And if you get any doubt while installing the editors and anything about the editors, just ask me a question and I will solve your query. So thanks for watching. We will move installing the editors and Python from the next videos, and I will see you there.